I bought the GoPro Hero 8 Black, and in this video I want to tell you 8 reasons why this camera is my favorite travel camera at the moment. So when you love to travel and also love to film a lot, there's always one tough question, and this is which camera, which gear should I take on my next trip? So of course I love my big cameras and I love to film with them, but there are some moments when I really don't like to use them. For example, when you're on the water, when you do some activities, when you're under the water, or maybe at places where you don't feel too safe. So I got this GoPro, and these are my 8 reasons why you should buy that camera. First of all, it's small. This GoPro fits into every pocket. You don't need a case anymore. It's waterproof like this. The small touch display on the back. It's really easy to use. You don't need a tripod, you don't need a gimbal. This is all you need. So whenever there's like a quick shot you want to take, you always got that GoPro ready. The second reason is you can shoot in 4K, and I can tell you the footage is crystal clear. The stabilizer in this camera is super smooth. It's like the camera is flying. It's like it's on a gimbal. So you can take action shots. You just grab your camera, film like this, and it feels like this camera is on a gimbal. So you almost don't need any editing afterwards. The fourth reason is this GoPro adapts really good to different light situations. When you change rooms, when you're under the water and you go up, from dark to bright or the other way around, the quality of the footage is really nice. I really love that about the camera because you don't need to think. You press record, that's all you need. When I was using some of the old GoPros, the sound was never that good. But with this GoPro, you can even vlog. So when you talk into the camera, for me, the quality of the voice is really good and usable for a YouTube video. Okay, so this is our first day in, what's the name?
Labuan Bajo.
Then I got 2 features which are awesome. Feature number 1 is the Hyperlapse. The Hyperlapse is super smooth. So this camera actually allows you to make those Hyperlapse shots I was dreaming about so easy. You just grab the camera like this, walk around, and this is the result. Also, what this feature allows you is to switch from the Hyperlapse mode to the regular film mode. And this effect looks really cool. The other feature is that slow-mo effect you can use with that camera. You have like an ultra slow motion, also looks awesome for your action shots. And the last reason is it's so easy when you download the app and connect your phone to this camera to transfer like videos from your GoPro to your phone, and you can almost post them straight away. And I want to give you a little preview of our last trip. We went to Indonesia at the beginning of the year. We are still editing the videos, they're coming out soon, and this is a little preview. So please give me a thumb up if this video helped you, and if you can say this is the best travel camera and you're going to buy it, or maybe it helped you not to buy it. If there's any other travel camera you're using, please post a comment and please subscribe to that channel if you haven't done so. Thank you so much for watching, and like I said, new videos are coming out soon.